How you doing? Thanks for watching. We got a nice 2020 King Ranch grill here that we did some work on. What you're seeing is the 3-inch sound off mpower in an 8 LED dual color, 4 amber, 4 white. It's an 8 LED dual color sound off 3-inch. You can check the description for links to all these products. We've mounted it in a 2020 Super Duty King Ranch grill. Got a nice pattern going. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the mounting. Let me shut it off and show you. Alrighty, you can see right there where we put the holes through. On the bottom, it's actually mounted on the clip that covers the bolt. We clearanced a little bit, put a hole right behind that clip, and we are able to reinstall that bolt. Or, honestly, you could probably leave it out. I mean, there's 5 clips around the bottom of this grill and 2 bolts on top, and about 8 or 10 millimeters also. I don't think the grill's going anywhere forward, so if you wanted to just leave the bottom bolts out, I really don't think it hurt anything. And you mount a 3-inch mpower right where we have mounted here. There's the top mount right there. We're using the quick mount VHB tape with a single hole for the wiring. There's that bottom mount. As I said, it's actually mounted on the clip, and we just clearanced the grill a little bit behind it, and we left a little bit of extra wire there, so you could pop that clip off and get to the bolt if you wanted. So here we are behind the grill. There's the top hole for the top light. Running our wiring down, using an industrial hot melt to secure it. Ran it around this way. We joined it up with an 18-3 and the bottom light. You can see there how we clearanced that just a little bit. After we drilled the hole in the hole there, you can see in the clip, and you can see where we clearanced a little bit of the plastic away, just to make it a little easier for the wire to tuck away back there. Make sure you leave a little bit of extra wire in case that's what you want to do. We ran that 18-3 all the way along the bottom here, out of sight. Come around, tie into the other 2 lights over here. Same procedure for the mounting of the lights over here. We joined them up to an 18-2, which we'll end up putting a weather pack connector on. And of course, we have this coming up on the passenger side back of the grill here because it's going to be headed to the auxiliary switches. I just wanted to show the back side of the grill, because I'm sure that people are going to be asking about how we mounted them and all that good stuff. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.